Jeremy Ajerico Rosario. Sorry for my voice. Napalaban po sa video, okay, Father? And I'm a first-termer mayor of this pilgrimage town. But I'm not new as public servant because I've served as the board member of the district for 12 years and councilor also of Manaoag in the past. So I'm a doctor by profession and an anesthesiologist by medical specialization. So, just to give you a glimpse of our beloved town, we are truly a pinagpalang bayan, Manaoag, and in fact, especially weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, nagtitriple or even more than that ang dumarating pong bisita sa aming pong bayan. So it is always a great challenge every weekend, especially managing the traffic, the parking, and of course the people that are going around the area. So recently we made survey on as to how many na after the pandemic we received in Manaoag in a week time. And it turned out that by average, it averages to 56,000 pilgrims, devotees, and visitors trekking to Manaoag every week. And contributory to that is, of course, itong national highway, the TPLEX, which make us all the more accessible to motorists. And with that, we have been dubbed as the blessing capital na of the Philippines. Kaya nga si Father, lalo po sa simbahan during Sundays, no, yan po isang problema namin po sa traffic management, yung mga maraming nagpaprotest. But again, welcome po sa aming bayan, and I'm listening intently earlier with Sir with regards to your presentation on food heritage, culinary heritage. Napaisip po ako sa aming bayan, sa atin, tubig, puto, no? And going back to that 56,000 weekly, ang challenge po sa amin, Father, lalo na sa local government, the challenge of how to make them stay longer than usual in the economic side. Sabi namin, sana wag lang nila iwan po yung kanilang kasalanan at basura. Sana po, kahit pa